After performing an autocompensation, FlowLogic now has the ability to calculate the spread quantification index, which, as the research paper published in Nature Scientific Report states, is a gain and dynamic range independent index to quantify spillover spread to aid panel design in flow cytometry. So the SQI is an advancement on the spillover spreading matrix and can allow users to compare the spillover spread between instruments having different types of detectors, which is not possible using the SSM. To calculate the SQI, after performing the autocompensation and viewing the matrix, simply click the SQI button at the bottom of the panel. The SQI will be calculated and displayed directly in the window. Using options in the toolbar, you can choose to display the SQI values, and you can see the legend for the different color coding at the right hand side of the toolbar. And as the paper states, green or yellow give appropriate discriminatory power, whereas combinations returning orange or red should be avoided if possible. At any stage, you can click to revisit the compensation matrix or return to the SQI table, and the SQI table can also be added to a report in DocLogic along with the other attributes from CompLogic. And finally, whilst the SQI quantifies the spillover fluorescence from a primary fluorochrome X into detector B, the difference between the 99th percentile and the 50th percentile is used before the value is multiplied by a normalization factor. However, in the toolbar within the CompLogic window, the user can choose to use a different upper percentile. Additionally, the robust standard deviation can also be used as an alternative method for calculating the SQI. If at any stage you do change any of the calculation parameters or manually adjust the compensation on any plots, you can recalculate the SQI values simply by clicking the SQI button at the bottom of the panel. For a detailed description of the calculations, please refer to the original manuscript, which can be found by clicking on the SQI reference button at the top right hand corner of the CompLogic toolbar. The link to the paper is also included in the video description below.